from by this time of the night? I asked a question, answer me. Where are you coming back from?
You reduce your voice.
Stupid, you say that I will whack your face. Where are you coming back from? Answer me.
Fine, I'll tell you. Actually, I went to catch fun with the girls and trust me, mother, it was fun. And guess what again? I'm not in the mood for your nasty arguments.
Abba,
the next time you raise your hands on me, you will regret ever being my mother.
Let me be. Abba, what are you doing? Gossips. You won't go back to your jobs. Stupid. Your Majesty. Have you seen it? Have you seen what you have caused? You caused it. Your notoriety challenges me to a scuffle, all because of you. It is your fault. Your entire fault.
My daughter? Or our daughter?
I don't know. I don't know.
You overpampered her during her young age. And now she has grown too big. You can't control her excesses any longer. She has grown too big for you. And you blaming me for that?
What are you saying? That I spoiled my own child?
On the contrary, no.
No.
I am saying that I need to have my peace. I don't want to...
I think you sending her abroad was a huge mistake. And you made that mistake. You did.
I am not ready for your tantrums now.
Whatever you want to have, you are free to have it. Your rest, your sleep, whatsoever. I don't care. You go ahead and have it.
Rubbish.
Open the gate. I said open the damn gate. Are you deaf? Don't you dare move an inch. What are you doing? Don't touch that gate. Don't dare. Are you deaf? Is something wrong with you? I said open the damn gate and you're here mocking at me. Are you crying? Get the hell out, you idiot. Just let him be. Wait. The next time you will try this nonsense, I will crush you. Fuck you. Open that door for me before I lose my temper on you right now.
Wadiana, this one you came, I hope all is well.
Uncle, with the look on my face, what does it tell you? That all is not well. I am not fine. Uncle, I am not happy at all. I only came here to tell you to plead with you to help me warn your sister to leave me the hell alone. Let her remove herself from the matters that concern me. Let me live my life the way I want. Yes, she's my mother, but she has no right to tell me how to live my life and how not to live it.
What are you talking about, my daughter? You speak about your mother with so much anger and disrespect.
Uncle, I do not care if she's my mother or not. As a matter of fact, I regret my relationship with her. Let her leave me alone. She is old, I am young. Uncle, this is 21st century. I mean, this whole thing is bullshit. Let her leave me alone. Uncle, I know why I only came here to tell you this. Because the next time she will interfere in my matters, what I will do to her, if another ear hears it. Okay.
Please, let's go inside and talk about this matter. Else, people will laugh at our family.
Uncle, this is not about laughing at our family or not. And I'll go inside with you. But I just want you to help me talk to her to stay the hell away from my matters. I don't get it. Why is she controlling me like that? I'm not a kid anymore, man. Damn. This is all bullshit.
Sister, whatever it is, with your daughter, please take it easy. You see, your daughter is old enough to make certain decisions for herself.
Wayward decisions? No. If she wants to do anyhow, let her go to her own husband's house and do anyhow. She cannot do anyhow in my home, in my husband's house, in my palace. Not at all. Alba is old enough to get married. If she bends down, she too will get married. What is this?
Whatever it is, please take it easy on her.
My brother, this girl we are talking about is not only becoming violent. I'm afraid she's capable to do things that bring shame and ridicule to my family. She's gone completely out of her mind. Yes!
Everyone has got their lives to live. Just like I've got mine. I hope you understand what I mean by that. Learn to mind your damn business. It's not that hard.
I saw her again in my dream. She's really beautiful. Who could she be?
My love, you're awake.
Okay.
Good morning.
Morning, my dear. I hope you had a good night rest.
Yes, I did. And you?
Yeah, good.
Okay.
beautiful sight to behold. She's so beautiful. Who could she be?
First day I met you, I've been in love with you. Yeah, I'm always in love with you. Hey, you will always be my angel in my memory.
Hello. Nice drawing.
Thank you.
Are you not going to work today?
Babe, I will, but there's this picture on my head that I need to put down. Okay, but I'm still on the sketch now. When I'm done, then I'll get to the market.
All right, when you are done, your food is in the room. Please, manage the soup. Oh?
It's okay.
I'm off now. Take care of yourself.
Okay, and you too?
Mother, I do not like this one bit. What is your problem? Why are you such a sadist? Why is it that you don't want me to be happy in life? Why? Why don't you want me to enjoy my youthfulness? What is your problem? Slap your face. Mother, slap me or not. The fact remains like this. Either you are about to become a witch or a yellow demon. Let me enjoy my life.
Hey. You know something, Alba? My mother can never embarrass me in the presence of my friends like this. Hey, darling. Royalty is not freedom, darling. Hey.
Oh. I said go.
Princess Alba.
Mother, stop it! Mother, stop it! Go!
We're leaving.
Mother, stop it! Easy! Don't touch me.
Easy, I'm going. Please, easy.
Go! Mother! What has come over you? Abba, what is wrong with you? Look at you. Abba, you're a disgrace to me. A beautiful girl raised, brought up with every beautiful things of life. But what have you done to yourself? You drink, smoke waywardly like a street girl. Your father and I did everything possible to make sure you are comfortable and responsible. What did you ever do? Mother, I will not continue to let you configure my life as a bad girl and rub it on my face just like that. Enough! What is all this? Can't I have peace in this palace? Just because I'm your daughter does not mean you have to tell me how to live my damn life. Let me be! Damn royalty! Excuse me. I regret you. Abba, you failed me. I failed myself. You failed me. What did I do wrong? How did I fail? How did I fail in this contest? How did I fail? Look at the way my daughter was shaking. God, I failed. I failed. God, I failed.
What kept you so long now? I was beginning to think you're not even coming to work today again.
There is this picture that kept me busy at home that I'm working on. Anyhow, I'm still working on it. Look at.
Wow. This is beautiful.
Yeah. You like it?
This is beautiful.
You can say that again.
She's a queen.
Yes, she is. Look at now.
Oh my God.
Yeah, give me.
Who is she?
Give me. Don't worry.
No, tell me more about her.
Shut up.
Andy, come now.
will not take that lightly. You are becoming a nuisance to this family. A disgraceful one at that. I won't take it. Abba, I won't take it from you. Not now, not ever. I won't take it.
Mother, what is your problem? Now you tell me. You know, if you were older than this, I would have said maybe you're trying to become a witch. Do you want me to have free cool or not to enjoy my youthful age?
Idiot! Idiot! Fool! Dare talk to me in that tone? Have you lost your mind or something? Are you mad?
Mother, did you just slap me?
And I will hit you again. In fact, I'll whack your face across your face, idiot.
I swear to God, if hair was abroad, I would have arrested you for assault on my body. You have no right to lay your filthy hands on me. You're not crazy.
You mad? Idiot. I'm your mother. I am your mother. You must learn to adapt to this culture and the weather that comes along with it. Listen to me. If you don't comport yourself as a royalty you are, I swear I'll make this place uncomfortable for you. Idiot. A fool at 100 years. When will you grow up? When you die? Silly.
Is very beautiful.
Shebi? Yeah. It's very fine.
Who is she?
I don't really know. It's just an imaginary drawing.
Okay. Well, I will be going back to work and I just came to give you.
Oh.
Hi, Oma. Thank you, my dear. I'll be home early today because I don't have much clothes to wash.
Alright, so I'll try and be early too so that I can be with you, my husband. Take care of yourself.
Okay, wonderful.
Collins.
Alright. Take care. One, your ma.
Wonderful.
Father, you sent for me.
Sit down, my daughter. Your mother has a different approach to rapport with you, which involves screaming and shouting, and it has done a lot to the development of this family. But I want to ask you, my daughter, what is your problem?
Father, I don't get.
My daughter, you are no longer the sweet girl that I love. You are no longer that my resourceful, business-minded daughter that I know. Tell me, my daughter. You know, what you are doing is gradually affecting the smooth relationship of this family. I want to know, what happened to you?
Father, please. If you do not mind, I need to go inside and get something to eat. I am tired and I am famished.
Will you just shut up? Shut up! Make sure no. What insolence! Can't you shut your mouth and listen to your father, the king? He is a king for God's sake. Why do you behave as if whatever he's saying is not making sense?
Father, please, Father, please, I would like to go inside and get something to eat. Please. I cannot keep sitting down here watching mother yell at me like I'm a kid. I need to go, please. Can I?
Abba.
Father.
Go get yourself something to eat.
What is that supposed to be? Are you becoming weak or something?
My queen, screaming and shouting is not an antidote. And it is not a show of strength. The important thing is that we are gradually losing our daughter and we must retrieve her before we lose her completely. Don't get me wrong.
Your Majesty, Abba needs to be taught a lesson and be brought to order, not to negotiate with her. You don't know this girl. You don't know her anymore. She has gone overboard. She has lost it. We're just trying to negotiate. We have lost it completely. Let us be parents, real parents. Spoil the road and spare the child. Don't do the other way around because we both will regret it. Trust me. On this one, trust me.
My queen, for all these years you've been screaming and shouting, and all your lessons meant nothing to her. Permit me to apply my own syllabus. This is how it works. Take it. Easy does it. I think I know what I'm doing.
So this kind of a handsome guy could be seen in this village? Scratch and win, baby. Ah, yo, good evening. Please, excuse me.
Hello, pretty. Good evening. How are you?
Good evening. I'm good.
Hi.
Hi. Oh, please, can I talk to you in private?
Me?
Yes, you. Okay, my name is Camilla Badmus. And you?
I'm Andy.
Oh, what a nice name. Okay, I would like to see you again. That is, if you don't mind. Please, can I, your phone?
My phone.
Oh, don't worry. Let me get my phone. Okay, call your number for me.
00.
Okay.
371 05 66.
What? Not complete?
Yeah,
Extra six? Okay. All right. I'll give you a call. Okay, thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
she say? What did she say?
I don't know.
I knew you would mess everything up. How can you let a fine girl like this go like that?
Are you hungry?
Of course I'm hungry, but that's beside
Let's
the point.
go and look for something to eat.
We'll eat, but didn't you see her shape?
I'll see you.
Come back, Andy.
Hey.
I know you would mess things up.
Meaning?
I wish I was the one she asked to stay behind and I would have played this deal very well. It is that kind of guy.
Hey, you. Hello? Daft. Be that daft. Son. What do you have for dinner?
We have semo and slimy soup.
What the hell is that? What's slimy soup? I ain't eating that shit, man. Please. I mean, that's bullshit. Meanwhile, I want you to make me noodles with beef. Please note, I want the noodles very, very spicy. What I say?
Spices.
I said very, very spicy.
Very, very spicy.
Good. Spicy.
Spices.
Make it to 5 minutes.
Okay, my
Make
princess.
what? You're doing nothing. This household is eating swallow. Semovita specifically and slimy soup. Madam, if you want something else, use your 2 hands and make for yourself. Mother, what is the meaning of this rubbish? No, why do you always... Mother, I do not like this. Why are you always humiliating me? Now you tell me of what use is this thing? Why does father pay her if she cannot prepare what I want to eat for me? This thing is your father's chef. I'm not your chef. Please, Alba, learn how to cook. Because you don't even know the kind of man you're going to marry. Whether he can afford a chef. Maybe you should be eating from a food vendor. If you don't learn how to cook now. Mother, you're joking, right? Oh, wait, you're joking. You don't expect me to stain my still hot nails. I took my time to stone them, mother. I should come and stain them with some cooking boat or something. I ain't doing that shit. As a matter of fact, mother, I'd rather remain single than to get married to a man that cannot afford an ordinary house chef. I'm done with it. So leave this kitchen. My kitchen. In your high horses, leave this kitchen before I change it for you. Leave! Go hungry. Madam Chef, spices or spicy. Make food for the royal household. Did you hear me? Excuse me. Okay.
Wondering the kind of person that the princess is.
She is the kind who cannot do anything for herself. She is busy.
God forbid I have such relation.
Nah, it is better to have such relation and be rich than to have so-called good relations and be poor.
This your statement encourages corruption in the society. Okay.
Ikiru, the queen demands your presence now.
Okay. you have been trying this particular woman since morning. Who is she? Who is this ghost woman that is taking your attention away from me?
Girl, please give me that drum sheet. I am not hungry. I want to hungry. I will eat. Can I have it? Please give me that drum sheet. Please.
Let this.
You don't just. Can you listen to me and listen very attentively? Do I make myself clear? I want you to wash those clothes. Make it sparkling clean. As a matter of fact, I want to see it blinking 2 junctions ahead from the palace. Is it possible?
No. Not in my house. If you need to wash your clothes, we have washing machine here. Anybody can easily operate. And you're not an exception to that. You can operate them. Use your hands. Abba, use your hands.
Mother, excuse me.
Learn to do chores by yourself. Little things to a woman.
But what is the meaning of this? I wasn't even talking to you in the first place. I was simply giving the maiden a simple instruction.
The maiden is not saying anything because you're already intimidating her. She feels intimidated. Help yourself out. Do things. You're a woman, for crying out loud. Help yourself, Alba.
Mother, I do not like the way you've been antagonizing me in this house. I need some peace.
You will never have peace in this house until you learn how to do simple house chores. Hey, you get inside. Drop those clothes here. You touch her now. You won't like what I will do to you. Learn to be useful to yourself. These workers in this palace, I hired them myself. And for my use.
Mother.
Not for you. Be responsible to yourself.
Mother, this is my father's house.
It is my husband's house, if you have forgotten that aspect. He was my husband before he became your father. So everything came from me.
Mother, did you just tell the maiden to drop my gun?
Of course I did. If you don't mind, I'm gonna kick them. Excuse me. Touch them, touch them, touch them, and you answer to me.
Mom.
One more word from you, you'll like me.
How dare you do this? Huh?
What do you mean? How do you mean? Eh? Andy, how do you mean? How dare you, Zika? How dare you? Come back to your senses. Come back to your senses. Come back to your senses, Andy. What is wrong with you?
Zika, you will regret what you just did.
I will not regret anything. I will not. Everybody have gone to the market. You, go to your shop. You know, never no more wine, man. Guess and I'll go. Go to your shop and be useful to yourself. I say you, I will not regret anything.
Are you joking or what? Don't tell me that you're jealous over a woman who does not exist anywhere.
I don't care. I will stand against anything and anybody that will take your attention away from me, including guests and alcohol.
God, this is a mere drawing.
I don't care.
It's just an imagination. It's just a drawing.
Like I said, I don't care.
Inamia, give you what? Give you what? Don't come close to me, oh.
Give me that.
Don't come close to me. Don't.
Oh, what is wrong with you now? Eh? What is your problem now? Eh? What is your problem?
Eh? They're asking me what my problem is. Am I not a woman? Look at me. I don't care. I don't care. Focus on me. Give me all your attention. I'm your wife.
Eh? What is your problem now?
Go to your shop. Each and every one you look at me. I am your wife, flesh and blood. Look at me. Look at me. I'm here. And then there's not case and now. Look at me. Focus on me.
I'm looking at you. Vomit money for me. What is your problem? Zikora.
Mother, do not like this. I don't like it. No, tell me, why are you bent on humiliating me all the time? Why? What have I done to you? I mean, what joy do you derive in humiliating me, Mother? You know the worst part of it? You always do it in the presence of, the common steward, an ordinary guard. I mean, those commoners, you humiliate me in front of them just like that. Why?
Did you just call them commoners?
Mother, please.
Ordinary?
They are commoners. That's what they are.
Commoners? But these are legitimate people doing legitimate jobs to earn a living. It is called independence. And you, what do? You glory in your father's wealth with the testimonial of a spoiled brat. That I will not allow, because the world will blame me for not raising you well. They will think I failed.
Mother, with all due respect, I will not have you humiliate me anymore in my father's house. The next time you will do it, Mother, I will not be this nice. That's a promise.
Hey! Come back here. You dare walk out on me? Alba, the earlier you know the difference between realities, the better for you. Reality is not about arrogance. Reality is about service to humanity. Into your head. Where are you going with these things?
My queen, the princess asked me to wash them for her.
So?
That's what I'm about doing.
So she cannot wash her own clothes with her hands. What's the big deal in handling those washing machines?
What's my queen?
Drop those clothes now and go get busy with other chores. Now!
Okay, my queen.
Go there now! Oh, you piss me. Alba!
me, I will come up again. Walk on you. Come here. What's the meaning of this rubbish? What is the meaning of this?
I'm sorry.
You're what?
I'm sorry.
So you have the guts. I gave you my clothes to wash. You left my royal attire on the floor. Have you gone bananas? Have you lost your sense of timing?
No.
Have you gone nuts?
My princess, he's not. I didn't.
Shut your mouth! And I'm talking you wretch! Now tell me, does my clothes look like all those your second class? I mean, all those linens that you guys wear?
No.
Does it look cheap to you?
No,
You know how much I bought them? Have you gone abroad before? Have you traveled before? Have you entered a flight before? You haven't, right? Now pack it up. Before I open my eyes and those clothes are still on the floor, I will crush you. Pack those clothes, idiot! Pack it! Stop it! You lied. What is wrong with you? I asked her not to wash these clothes. What is wrong with your own hands? Mother, can't you use those washing machine and wash your clothes by yourself? Is that such a big deal? What is wrong with you? Mother, you asked, don't you dare touch her because I will whack your face. Mother, you asked her not to wash my clothes. Yes, I did. So what are they doing in the palace? Why does father pay them? She's a maiden, for Christ's sake. She is here to serve me. He is... No, you lied. No. Your father pays them to serve your father and I, not to serve you. You are not lame. If you want to wash your clothes, don't touch her. Wash your clothes by yourself. Mother, I cannot wash. I'm allergic to washing and you know it. You should be responsible and useful to yourself. Whether you're allergic or something, you still wear them. So wash them. Learn to wash them. Hey, you go back to your chores right now.
Yes, my queen.
Go back. Don't you dare. Don't just try it. Mother, I do not like this, Mother. I don't like this. I'm allergic to washing and you know it. I can't. This is why I can't wash. Trust me, you can. You can. So go ahead. As long as you wear them, you wash them. Sorry, who's here? Hi.
Hello. Good day, ma.
Good day. Please, I have some of my royal attires inside there, so I want you to help me wash them and let it be sparkling clean.
No problem, ma. That's what we do here.
Thank you. So when you're done, the address is actually inside there.
Okay.
So you bring it to that same address. Do you understand?
No problem.
Please.
Thank you.
Tomorrow morning of
Yes.
Don't
tomorrow.
Forget. Wow. Who drew this? Who did this?
My friend Andy did. He's an artist. He's not here yet, but he will come.
Your friend Andy?
Yes.
Wow, this is beautiful.
It is. It's very beautiful.
Nice. Can he be the person to bring my clothes for me tomorrow morning?
Of course, yes. I'll make sure he'll bring it to you tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Sorry. Can I ask for a favor, please? Can I go with the frame? Please, I would love to. at least have a drawing of me, I would like to come with it. Please.
Don't close your close.
Did you see her? Did you see her? Eh? Did you see her?
See who?
Hi! She's so beautiful. Mimi! Hi! That girl is so
What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
The beautiful lady you've been drawing every day. She brought her clothes here for us to wash. She even looks more beautiful than the pictures you've been drawing.
Where is she?
She left not too long ago. You're supposed to have seen her on your way coming.
I must find her.
Wait! She left her address! Come! Let me get the address.
Hello, girls. Ooh. Oh my goodness. What did he? Woo. Let me see that. This is so beautiful. How did you get it? Well, my dry cleaner gave it to me today.
Let me see. Seriously, whoever that drew this must be a genius. Please tell us about him. Is he handsome, tall, or what? I'm curious, please.
Camilla, can you stop it? First of all, this person does not want to be discussed because he prefers a private life.
Say that, please. And when did we start hiding things from ourselves? Yeah? Hello?
Hi.
And of course, you know we don't do men.
Should I get you a microphone?
Huh?
Whatever. Okay, guys, I don't know him.
Excuse me?
I don't know him. I've not met this person before. I just got the gift.
Oh, please call the crap. What do you mean you don't know him? You've not met him before? Meaning what?
Do you know what, guys? I had a very stressful day. So please, I have some food here. Who wants? You?
I want.
So, here it is.
What's that?
The fruit.
Take it back. Hey, darling. Take some steps to the kitchen and wash them. This is not the palace, right?
Are you joking? No, you're joking, right? For Christ's sake, you know I'm allergic to kitchens. I can't enter the kitchen.
Then I met here, darling.
Alicia, stop this. I need to eat some fruits and I cannot.
In that case, we don't need this then.
Be my girl.
Camilla, can you stop this?
Go fix it up yourself.
I cannot go to the kitchen. I'm allergic to kitchens. I can't even stand the smell of that kitchen. No, Jesus Christ.
Well, no. Pack them. Just take it back to the palace.
Listen to me, guys. The mention of this kitchen makes me want to puke. Like I feel like vomiting.
Probably back. Just no. Don't do that here. Pack them back to the palace. Don't even try.
Alba. Alba. My princess.
What is there to think about?
See, Collins, I have a wife whom I love so much. I cannot disappoint her.
Okay, what lovey-dovey rubbish are you talking about? Eh? So what if you love your wife? Look, you would have said yes on the spot. What is wrong with you, sir?
Friend, it's my life that we're talking about here. Mind
Your
you.
life? Your life? Wait, do you have life? My friend, you don't have life, oh. Being a dry cleaner is no life. Look at you. A graduate of over 6 years with no job. All the proposals you submitted for grants were turned down. And here you are, turning down a mouth-watering offer of 10 million naira. You see, hey! Obulogu! Yeah!
Collins Obosagi, is he your 10 million naira? Eh? I have a wife. I cannot disappoint my Zikora.
Look, Zikora needs a good life. It's only foolish women that think their men were circumcised just for their use. You need to show her that you love her. And now that the opportunity has presented itself, you should grab it with both hands.
See, I'm beginning to understand something here. I can see you're so much interested in this deal. Huh? Okay, do you know what? I am going to connect you to her. What about that?
It's not bad. It's fine. I mean, it's good. But we must not lose this deal.
Collins Edo, sir. You can like it.
Say anything you like.